All right, Money Origami Originals is back. Today I've got a nice and easy, quick little gift card envelope. You can make it with paper or a dollar. I would just give money, but sometimes you get a gift card and you want to get rid of it. Maybe you don't want to go there. Anyway, or you just like to give gift cards, if they like that store. So, hey, sometimes you get a discount on that, and then you can use the extra cash you saved to make the envelope. You can use a 5, a 2, a 10, a 20, or you can go crazy with it and do a 50. All right. So, it's not really, for multiple uses. It's intended for them to spend, and the gift card fits right in there. And if you get some either 6-inch square or 15 centimeter square, then when you tear it in half to make the envelope, you can write your note on the other piece, or you can make it with paper and write your note on the envelope or inside. And it's really very simple. Now, I think the folding it where it has like a white border is real nice, but maybe they're not all the same. It fits a credit card. I tried that too. And some of them are slightly different in size. I mean, this one's just a little bit different. And so what you do is you get your gift card in advance. So you already have it. And then you decide what you want to be on the outside. Well, this one's all marked up over here. This part looks pretty good. And then, if it's going to fit in there, where you can do the border lines, then, which that one, they'll probably show up, yeah. Just a little bit of the white trim. So since it'll show up, let's fold the side we're going to see down, just where there's a little bit of white trim showing. And crease that. And then put your card inside and get right in the middle by holding it like this, see? And bend these over. And then have a look. That looks like it's in the middle. And then just do some pinches. Work your way down. And you can continue that, or you can fold it. Depends on how you like to do it. It's kind of hard folding a small amount in. So putting the card in there. Oh, and anyway, so maybe I'll do some easier ones during the week, maybe, or at least maybe one. I mean, I'm not saying I'm going to do them every week or anything, but because I don't have as much time on the weekdays, and some of these are still pretty nice. It's not like a real hard model. But now I do have coming up in the next few days, hopefully, a really cool new box, and it's pretty neat, actually, how it closes. And then I've worked a little bit on a prototype. Now, this is not, the whole thing, but I was testing out the idea. And this is definitely not the size of the box either. But, I mean, this is really cool. See how it stays together. And so that's going to be the cool things coming up, I hope. For sure, I'll do that. This box, and then, probably next. And the other one real soon, or maybe right after that. Just depends on how much time I got and what's going on this weekend. See, fold it around like that. And then we need to have, it's really about the same amount as this trim. sticking out over the edge. See, fold it in half, except make some stick out. Just about like that. Now, if you want to look really cool on both sides, fold the other side down where just a little white trim is showing as well, see? And it makes it look like a real professional envelope. And you're done really right now. All you got to do is make sure that these fit inside there. And if they don't, then you have to adjust it just a little bit. And so this one is fitting really good, really. There's a little tiny bit extra. But if yours doesn't fit, then you can open up the side that's going to tuck in, and you can just bend that. You can just move that edge of that fold in a little bit more. See, by moving the top layer this way, and it really just barely takes any. And that would be only if it doesn't fit in there satisfactorily. See, and so then you've got it where you're gonna close it like that, or you can close it and then make the crease in the back nice and sturdy. And for that, what'd you expect? Of course, it's the dice. Alright, and then, yeah, you can just write your note on a little 1/3 of a sheet, and you make it exactly the same with paper. You just start with a half sheet. So, and you just do the exact same steps, and you can make it with paper, 15 or 6-inch. And so that's really pretty much it. Nice, quick, easy little video. And there's the card going right in. Whoops. And you just, make sure it's together properly. Shove it all the way in, and that makes it tighter. See? It's pretty nice, really, I think, and it's real simple, and it's not really one of the regular videos I'm going to be doing, but it might be that I'll do some of these little easier ones. It's a nice idea. Alright, thanks for watching. Appreciate you. And hopefully we'll get the cool new box out soon. And you probably already figured that out if you're a whiz. But this one, it's going to be something sort of like this. And I haven't decided exactly the rest of the things I'm going to incorporate in it yet. Alright, take care. Have a great day. Hope you enjoy that gift card envelope. Nice and easy, quick envelope.